professors, faculty members, research scholars, and delegates from various institutes in India and outside the country, and my dear students. At the very outset, let me congratulate the Department of Management Studies of Kristu Jayanti College for setting a platform for a joint search to identify and to share the excellent practices in management activities or various discussions on excellence in management practices today and tomorrow within this campus. It is merely a coincidence that our Prime Minister, together with the heads of the nations of the BRICS countries, they are deliberating together in China for a new world economic order. When we see the titles in the newspapers like BRICS pushes China to buy more finished goods. Yesterday, there was the meeting of the trade ministers where agreements are being made or explorations are being made to enhance the exports, especially to China. And in today's newspaper, some of you might have read, BRICS to trade in own currencies. That is a new development. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, all these 5 countries together, the emerging economies of the world, in the joint search for collaboration, they are identified that the nations, these 5 nations, in principle, they agreed to establish mutual credit lines denominated in their own local currencies. But it has to be made into the purview of the law. It will take a little time. But the idea put forward to have a change in the existing situation where the monetary transactions are demarked or exchanged in terms of dollars or euro. And again, we are aware that during the financial year 2011, Gautam Adani got the credit for being the biggest wealth creator in India. So changes are taking place. And for all the changes, innovation is the background. And also unified efforts for excellence, that is the hallmark. And when we look in the history of the management, whether it is the scientific management or the functional management or the modern management or the technology management or the knowledge management of the contemporary era, everywhere we come across a unified search, a change that will call for different angles or different areas we have to focus. With the changing times, we have to change the methodology and also change the systems. Change is a reality. To cope up with the change in the world, we have to change the procedures and the formalities. And in the modern world, there was an article by Srikant Datta from Harvard Business School. And in that he stresses the need for gaining global perspective. In any business or management activities, we should think in a global perspective in the present day. Because this is the day of collaborations. This is the day of going beyond boundaries of the nations. These are the days where, in a nutshell, we can say, an age of collaboration and competition. In an age of competition, we have to find out strategies to be successful or to survive. But in an age of collaboration and competition, the means and methods will be different. I feel the modern era is an era of collaboration and competition. It is not competition alone. But in this field of collaboration and competition, the strategies and the methods, the procedures and the activities should be tuned to cope up with the situation. What was excellent yesterday may not be excellent today. So as Professor Aloysius was mentioning, excellence is a journey. In that journey, there is no destination, but there is a destination, but it is a journey towards that destination. But what is excellent today may not be excellent tomorrow. We have to develop on that. Only when we adding together, coping to the situation, or taking the consideration of the developments in the world at large, not in the particular state or country, then only there will be the progress. We all experience the effects of mismanagement in certain sectors during the last 3 or 4 years when the recession peeped into the world. But with the right management, with the right decisions, and with the right activities, we are coming out of that period. So here, during these 2 days, today and tomorrow, with your knowledge input and also with your sharing, you have taken the time to come over to Christu Jayanti College in Bangalore to enhance and share your knowledge base, and also to join together to have wider deliberations whereby we can place the management practices at a high level, and also we can contribute not only academically but also practically for the well-being of the economy and also the well-being of the business entities. On this occasion, every time we talk about technology management, but I feel this is a time where we have to focus more on people management. Because any activity or any organization is not working as an island. The activities are beyond the boundaries of nations. So the cross-cultural atmosphere that calls for the cross-cultural understanding beyond the boundaries of the nation, understanding beyond the limited area where the company is being operated. And here we have to identify and set standards for the global competencies. I wish and pray the deliberations and the discussions today and tomorrow may help to widen and to place forth standards by which we can make not only our country but also the nations at large to higher levels of excellence and also to higher levels of activity, whereby the growth of our nation and other nations will be a reality, but not at the cost of the environmental safety. Very often, excellence in one area may forget the excellence in other areas. So we should have a wider vision whereby it should be an all-comprehensive activity. I am pleased to see that the papers which are going to be presented are classified under different 10 heads, 10 functional areas, whereby we will have a wider perspective for the enhancement of excellence in management practices. On this occasion, I wish all the delegates an enriching time and also a time which will be remembered not only by you but also by the next generation and also the various developments in our country and other countries in the days to come. Once again, I congratulate Dr. Pius Thomas, the head of the department, and Professor Aloysius Edward, the staff coordinator for this international conference, and all the faculty members and students of Management Department of Christ Jayanti College for your untiring efforts to make this international conference a platform for discussions, deliberations, and also bridging, finding out ways and means to bridge the gaps to fill the excellent practices in the economy and also in the management activities of our country and the nations at large. Wishing all of you all the best. I remain. Thank you very much.